Hey there, welcome to Taste and Flavors. Today I have for you a very famous recipe from the Chinese cuisine called the noodles. It's a great snack recipe with screaming flavors of garlic and chili, accompanied with loads of vegetables. I'm sure that this recipe will turn out a great hit. If you like what you see so far, then please keep on watching the video. For the exact measurements, please check the description box. So now here first I've heated some water in a pot, and to this I have added salt and oil. Now I will be adding to it some raw noodles and I will let this boil. Please check the packet instructions. It will roughly take about 5 to 6 minutes. You don't have to overboil these, just boil it until it is 80% cooked. The remaining cooking will be done while we finally saute this with certain vegetables. So now here, as you can see, that I will just check it. It is easy to break but has a bit of crunch to it. Once it is boiled, I will strain it and wash it with some cold water, and I'll grease it with some oil. Now the entire cooking of the noodles has to be done on a high heat. Now in a pan I've added in some oil and I will heat it along with the chilies and garlic for enhanced flavors. And to this I will add in a shredded cabbage and pretty much all the other vegetables, which is spinach, capsicums, both yellow and green, and some sliced onions. Just saute it on high heat for roughly about 2 minutes. And now I will be adding in some juliennes of carrots. Just toss it really well, and it's time to add in the seasonings, for which I've added in salt, some crushed red chilies, and some pepper powder. Once you've added in the seasonings, just let it cook for roughly about 30 to 40 seconds. And now I have added to this some Sriracha sauce. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and add some Szechuan sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can also instead add some rice vinegar. And this I will be adding in the boiled noodles. Once you've added the noodles, again make sure that the flame is on high. Just mix it all really well. Just toss it really well together so that there are all the vegetables and the sauces, the seasonings are nicely mixed with the noodles. Next I've added in the tomato ketchup, and again I've mixed them all really well together. Once you've added the noodles to the pan, you roughly have to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. It won't involve a lot of cooking time, and yeah, here you have your noodles absolutely ready to be served. Just season it with a bit more of chili crushed flakes if you want so, and garnish it with some spring onions. You can accompany this with some other Chinese main course, such as a chili paneer or Manchurian. A recipe for one of these will be in the description box below, so you can have a look at that. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you give it a try, do let me know. Do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you pretty soon. Bye bye.